morning, and we are now at the Royal Railway head office in Phnom Penh, whatever the name is of this place. And I'm gonna take the train to scenic. I also don't know if this is the right name, but anyway, it's down in the south. I should arrive there in like 6-7 hours, and after that I move to Koh Rong, to the island. So I bought the ticket. I paid $10. You see it for today. I bought it yesterday. The train should take like 6 hours, and yes, you should be 40 minutes earlier here. Actually, the train is super small, and you can see there are not many people. That's the reason why there are only like 2 or 3 rows, like, or 2, how they are called, these carts. And I have to wait for this boy. So hello, good morning. I'm already in the train or railway station in Phnom Penh, or whatever. And yeah, I'm waiting now like till the train is cleaned. They clean the train at the beginning in the morning, and afterwards when they're done you're allowed to go in. You should be 40 minutes earlier here, which I think is not necessary as usual everywhere, but still I did it since it's my first time, and I don't know if they like check something. And it's now 1 minute after 7, and we really leave on time. Not used to that stuff here in Asia. After 10 minutes already, the chairs are really like hard, not comfortable, and we only have a 6 hours ride. And you see a lot of dirt between these houses. But yeah, I think that's everywhere in Asia like that. Even here people are living in the middle of the nowhere. Chickens. And I guess these are like mainly the people from the train who are all these rubbish thrower. Disgusting. And after 2 hours you have like 10 minutes break at the Koh railway station where you can buy some stuff. I think 10-15 minutes or something like that. The cushion is like not there anymore properly. So yeah, not expecting to sleep. or a cheaper way. But yeah, it's good environment. Changed a bit. It maybe take like 30 more minutes, 40 to reach scenic, less. So after exactly 5:40, we arrived now in Singapore. Train looks still the same, no accident. And now I have to find my way to the island. And I will for sure not take the train back. I will go with the bus, 100%. Okay, it's like 1.5 kilometers to the port. I'm gonna take a tuk-tuk, which I ordered over Grab. So let's see. It's here somewhere. Ah, this one? So just that you know, the price to this port is approximately 4,200 real, which is like $1. And it takes like, I don't know, 1.5 kilometers, maybe 10 minutes. So the tuk-tuk driver brought me straight to this GTVC speedboat company, where you pay like for both directions $25. It takes only 30 minutes. There should be a cheaper one, which is not cheap, where you would pay like okay, but I couldn't find it, so they don't offer it, like $13 in both directions. And let's see if I find it here, because there are many different companies. Okay, so I was asking now at 3 different places and it's everywhere $25, so it makes no difference where you buy. Just go for the most convenient way, where the tuk-tuk driver drops you. Maybe he gets some commission, so for you it makes no difference. And they have here also something like a small food court. I mean, I got already diarrhea, so for me it makes no difference. The prices are actually quite high, I think. Bubble waffle, yummy yummy. I don't know. So yeah, let's see about the juices. Okay, so the juices cost mainly like the double price than from BP, which is like 8,000 baht, which is still like super cheap, like less than $2. But anyway, just that you know, I will go there in this building. There is called shop or something like Starbucks. The Asian Starbucks, it's called Cafe Amazon. And since my next target is Vietnam after Koh Rong, I checked a bit on the internet, and there should be an office where you can theoretically buy a complete tour to Vietnam. Let's see. So actually it's super simple. You just go to this office. I will send you then the name when I go back. And you can use, it's like a minivan, like one of these. I hope a bit better quality. And afterwards, yeah, you just drive 13 hours, you make a few stops for a toilet and all this stuff. And you pay $35, which is cheap, from here to Ho Chi Minh. And yes, that's it. Easier than I thought, to be honest.
super nice. I like it already. I don't know why.
Hello.
I will rent a motorbike and discover this island. Top motivated. And that's how the boat looks like. It's a speedboat with 4 engines, and it looks really luxury, to be honest. It's super cute, like the street to walk. Very, very cute. So now we're on the ferry, speedboat, and I think the ride is like 30 minutes. And as you can see, we're pretty fast. So this place is called Longset Beach. Looks already pretty nice. So yeah, the first stop is then Koh Rong. That way you make first stop at one beach, then Sunset Beach, and this is like the one where I want to go. And that's the sea view, and that's Koh Rong Salong. I think that's